Hey guys, today my buddy and I are doing some optic zeroing and blinking with our Blizzard Pyro and G2 Max. It is scorching hot and windy out here on this rooftop garden. This is my makeshift life-size figure 11 target made of recycled cardboard box, secured to the lamppost with masking tape and string. Does he look like a bad guy to you? My Blizzard Pyro is currently tuned to around 240 FPS for CQB games. The Pyro has been performing very well at close ranges of less than 15 meters. But I am curious to find out how it will perform outdoors at further distances of 20 meters and 30 meters respectively. So here we are. Target is at 20 meters and I am aiming at the red center. Off. Okay.
Hit right side of the dot.
Low.
Hit also, yeah, low.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Right.
I think most of it is to the right. Oh,
Out, miss. Hit. Okay, right. Right.
Majority of the shots were on target but veering off to the right. It could be due to the strong wind and could also be due to the optic losing its zero. Let's try to zero the optic now. For a comprehensive tutorial on how to zero your optic, check out this video by one of my favorite nerfing YouTubers, Bradley Phillips. Trying again after adjusting a few clicks on the optic.
Oh. Right.
It is better now and all shots are on target, but still veering slightly to the right. I'm going to adjust the optic just a little bit more. All shots are on target, but some of the darts are still veering slightly to the right. It could be due to wind direction, or it could be how the bearing scar is positioned on the barrel, which may have a slight hop-up effect as the dart passes through the bearings, causing it to spin and fly in a certain direction. I will try to experiment and rotate the bearing scar position next time in another video, but I am generally happy with the zeroing for now. Let's see if a 240 FPS Pyro can hit the 30 meters target. I'm not expecting good accuracy from 30 meters away due to the fact that it is tuned to a lower 240 FPS and not at the typical high 300 plus FPS sniper level. I didn't manage to get any close-up video of our target board as my Runcam 2 was out of battery. But just by hearing the sound of the shots land on the target, I managed to hit it 6 out of 10 times by aiming the reticle dot slightly above the head. Not too bad for a 240 FPS blaster. But the accuracy will definitely improve drastically with a higher FPS setup for 30 meters. Overall, it was very enjoyable to just take some time off to do some slow pace zeroing and blinking, and to get to know my blaster better. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you and see you.